The world's first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, changed money forever. In 2009, someone, maybe a genius, created Bitcoin. This person, or group of people, because there were a few thousand of them, used the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. They created a new kind of digital cash. Digital because it's electronic, not physical. Cash because it's meant to be used as money, and it works without banks or middlemen. And because there's a limited supply of it, only 21 million will ever be created. It's scarce like gold. So people use it as a store of value, like gold. People also use it as a hedge against inflation, a way to protect their money from the devaluing effects of inflation. And some people even use it for payments because it can be exchanged for goods and services. It runs on a decentralized network called a blockchain. No one controls it. That makes it different from government-issued currencies, and it makes it more resilient to censorship and confiscation. So why is Bitcoin the king of crypto? First, it's the original. It was the first digital currency. Other cryptos are copycats. Second, it has the most value. One Bitcoin is worth over $100,000 in 2025. Third, it's the most liquid. It's the easiest to buy and sell. There are lots of buyers and sellers, so it's easy to trade. Fourth, it's the most decentralized. No one controls it, but makes it resilient to censorship and confiscation. Fifth, it's the most secure. The blockchain is protected by cryptography, and the network is maintained by thousands of computers around the world. If you want to steal Bitcoin, you have to steal it from someone. It's not printed out of thin air. Finally, it's the most widely accepted. Most crypto businesses accept Bitcoin as payment, and more traditional businesses are accepting it too. If you're curious to dive deeper into Bitcoin and cut through all the hype, make sure to subscribe, follow, like, and share for more insight. Do you own any Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments.